Number 1.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,750. It has accumulated approximately 265,000 miles and is paired with an automatic transmission. It features a beige exterior that gives the truck a classic and understated appearance, while the interior has been well cared for over the years. The seats remain in great condition for its age, and the carpet flooring has been replaced, contributing to a cleaner and more comfortable cabin environment. Mechanically, the truck starts easily without any problems and runs reliably. While the air conditioning system is currently not blowing cold and the mileage gauge has stopped working and will require repair, these issues do not prevent the vehicle from being driven or enjoyed as a dependable truck. The radio is fully functional, providing entertainment during daily driving or longer trips.
Number 2.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. This truck is in excellent condition and remains completely rust-free. It shows 140,000 miles and is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a very enjoyable and engaging driving experience. The truck features a red exterior with a matching red interior, giving it a bold and classic appearance. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a freshly rebuilt 305 V8 engine that has been bored .030 over, with many new components installed.
The engine bay is super clean and well cared for.
It is equipped with long tube headers and Flowmaster exhaust, producing an aggressive and great-sounding exhaust note. The truck also sits on new rims and tires, adding to its solid stance and road-ready condition. It runs and drives strong and is a very fun truck to own and drive.
Number 3.
1995 Nissan Truck, price $5,500, with 160,000 miles and an automatic transmission that has been recently replaced.
The truck runs and drives very well and comes with a clean title.
It features a white exterior with a blue interior, both of which are in well-kept condition for its age. The interior has been well maintained, showing no major wear, and everything inside works properly.
The exterior paint still looks nice and presentable, reflecting the care this truck has received over the years. All mechanical components are functioning as they should, making it a dependable and reliable vehicle. Overall, this Nissan truck is in good condition, well maintained, and ready to be driven, making it a great option for someone looking for a solid and trustworthy pickup. Number 4.
1994 Toyota pickup, price $7,200, powered by the legendary 22RE gasoline engine, known for its durability and long lifespan. The truck has approximately 395,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a manual transmission. It features a gray exterior with a matching interior. Despite the high mileage, the engine runs great with no mechanical issues and remains very strong, with the owner confident it can continue running for hundreds of thousands of miles. The vehicle runs and drives well and has been well cared for over the years. Some work has been done to the truck, though nothing mechanical, as the engine has proven to be extremely reliable. The seller is reluctantly letting it go due to personal life decisions and is open to offers. The truck does have a salvage title, which was issued due to a theft incident approximately 20 years ago.
Number 5.
1997 Toyota Tacoma, price $9,400, well-maintained gasoline-powered pickup with 159,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior paired with a gray interior, offering a classic and clean look. The truck has recently received extensive maintenance, including a fresh oil change, new spark plugs, wires, distributor cap and rotor, a new air filter, water pump, thermostat, and coolant. The transmission fluid and filter have also been replaced, along with a new idler pulley, rear shocks, and windshield washer reservoir. The Tacoma rides on tires that are only 2 years old and still in excellent condition, while the brake pads have plenty of life remaining. It is equipped with power windows and power door locks, and the radio functions properly.
A camper shell is included, adding extra utility and storage versatility. Number 6.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500. It has 180,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features a red exterior paired with a clean black interior that is still in very good condition, giving it a sharp and well-kept appearance. Powered by a 5.3L V8 engine with 2WD, both the engine and transmission have been replaced and are not original, providing strong and reliable performance. A new water pump has recently been installed, adding to its dependability. The truck sits on OEM 20-inch Chevrolet wheels and comes with a clean title in hand, offered as a cash-only private sale. Overall, it is a great work truck, strong, dependable, and ready to go.
The only noted downside is that while the air conditioning blows air, it is not ice cold. Number 7. 1997 Ford F250, price $9,500, equipped with the legendary 7.3L Powerstroke diesel, an automatic transmission, and 4x4 drivetrain. It has 246,800 miles, a red exterior with gray interior, a 4-inch lift, and 37-inch tires that will need replacing soon. The truck comes with a clean Texas title, it runs and drives well, the transmission shifts smoothly, and the body and frame are solid. The paint still looks good for its age and maintains the classic obvious Ford appearance. For full disclosure, the AC is not working, the interior shows normal wear, and at highway speeds the transmission may occasionally shift between overdrive and drive, likely due to the tire size or gearing. Number 8. 1995 GMC 1500, price $6,500. This truck has 178,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a 4x4 drivetrain. It is powered by a 5.0L gasoline engine that runs strong and shifts smoothly. The truck features a green exterior paired with a beige interior and is completely rust-free, making it a solid candidate for restoration. While it does need some cosmetic TLC, the vehicle has excellent structural integrity and good bones overall. It has recently received a new alternator and several new air conditioning components, including a new AC compressor. However, the AC still blows warm air, which may be due to a faulty pressure switch or blend door issue. Overall, this GMC 1500 is a dependable, solid truck with great potential for further improvement. Number 9. 1986 Dodge D250, price $5,000, solid and reliable truck with 134,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a gasoline 318 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and the engine runs fantastic. The truck features a blue exterior and a matching interior, along with a Dana 60 front axle that adds to its durability and strength. Overall, the truck is very solid, though it does have some rust in a few areas, with the most notable being a hole in the driver's side floorboard. The fuel tank has been relocated to a toolbox, and an original underbed fuel tank is included with the truck. It is regularly driven a few times a week, including in bad weather, which shows its dependability. The truck sits on 22x12 wheels wrapped in 35-inch tires, giving it an aggressive and commanding stance. Number 10. 1988 GMC Sierra 1500, price $2,250. It has 151,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, with all gears working smoothly. It features a tan exterior complemented by a blue interior, giving it a classic and distinctive look. The truck has just received a fresh oil change and recently had a new master-slave cylinder installed, along with a new hydraulic line from the reservoir, and the system has been properly topped off with DOT4 fluid. It also comes equipped with an aftermarket Pioneer single DIN radio, an excellent heater that works great, new side mirrors, and a fresh transmission flush. Additional updates include brand new headlights and bulbs for improved visibility, as well as a new muffler that keeps the truck quiet and comfortable for city driving.